no! They're so cold. I wish I could help them. Maybe I can do something. Wait! The neighbor's porch light is on! I'll bring you warm food! Wow! Golden magic bread? It's glowing! Like magic! I can make this! I know I can! This is going to be perfect! Look! Up there! It's glowing!
Huh? What are you?
See? The mountain's breathing light!
That's the aurora from the valley. You're right, little one.
That's a lovely drawing, little one.
We'll climb the mountain and open our own bakery! We can bake bread with mountain air and cloud flour. Look! I found the flour sacks!
Good job.
Now help me with the oven.
We'll need it for hot cocoa later.
Yay! Let's go!
Come on, little one, we've got this.
I'm trying, Mama. It's so heavy.
Keep your back straight and push with your legs like this.
All right, little one, let's get these planks off before the snow gets worse. Careful, you'll slip on the ice. Good try, but we need to stack them straight. Here, let me show you.
Come on, little one. We've got this.
I'm trying, Mama. It's so heavy. Almost there.
Good job, my brave kitten. Now let's get it in place.
Meow! One more. There we go. Now, this is going to be perfect. Pull, pull, pull. Come on, big oven. Almost there. Just a little more. Yes! Got it! Now we bake the best bread in the mountains.
Let's make a mess, little one.
Watch out! I want to bake like you. Perfect. Look at this. So soft. So lovely. Maybe Mommy will like it.
Just a little longer, my darlings. Baking is love, warm and slow. Don't rush. Patience makes the crust golden. Soon, we'll eat together.
It's getting dark outside. I hope it doesn't rain. My wool hat might get wet, but the bakery lights are on. Maybe it's okay.
Shh, it's okay, little one.
But the wind, it sounds so loud.
We're safe here. The walls are strong. Of course, warmth is good. It's okay, little one. The thunder is just a big sneeze from the mountain. We're safe here. Hold the bucket steady, little one.
But it's so slow. Can't we just catch it with our paws? Oh, it worked!
Good job. Now let's keep it full and dry.
Hold on, little ones. I've got this. Storm's coming in fast, but we're safe inside. Just like Mama taught you, keep calm and lock the door. Now let's bake something warm for everyone.
Meow! It's so cold. Just a little more. Please stay lit. I'll keep you warm. There. Now it's okay. Here.
Meow! Meow!
You've got this, little one. I believe in you. I'll be right here.
Look, the bread's ready.
Wow, it's glowing.
Be careful, hot.
Can I help?
Just wait a minute.
Meow!
So pretty. Keep it steady, little one.
I'm doing my best.
We'll get it all cleared before the sun rises.
Something sweet. What's that smell? It's coming from the mountain.
Warm bread. I can almost taste it.
We should go check it out.
That smell. It's like sunshine in a loaf.
I can't wait. My tummy's doing flips.
Just a little longer, little one. The best things take time.
But I'm hungry now.
Patience, young one. Look, there's a new batch coming out.
Meow! Meow!
Tweet! Tweet! Here, little one. Warm bread for you.
Thank you. It smells so good.
Eat slowly. It's still hot. I'll be careful.
You're like a real mama. Meow! Wow! We did it! Forever Bakery!
Let's do it, little one.
Yeah! Victory dance time!
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Hooray! We did it!
Here we are, little one. Warm cocoa for two.
Wow! It smells so good!
Look at the snow. Everything is quiet and still.
Is that a deer? I think I see antlers and... Mama.
Shh. I'm here.
You're the best.
We made it, little one.
I hope we can stay here forever.